So, hi Anuja, hi Mrinal, welcome on the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit. And ये जो आप लोगों का जो ये शो है, Hello Mini, it's quite an interesting name. But before I start, मुझे लगता है यार तुम्हारे साथ कहीं ना कहीं नाइंसाफी हुआ है. The show's name is called Hello Mini. I
हाँ.
want you guys to tell each other hello Mini and hello Danny in a very sweet way before we start forward with the conversation. So can we have that before? Like Danny, you got to say hello Mini in a very sweet way, and Mini got to say hello Danny in a very sweet way before we take it forward.
Hello, Mini.
Ah, nice. How sweet.
Hello,
Your
Danny.
turn, Miss Mini. Okay. फर्स्ट सवाल जो मेरा बनता है वो यहाँ पे ये सीन है कि दिस involves a lot of feedback around the stalking crime in India, which is a big crime, not just in India, everywhere around the world.
Yes.
तो मुझे अनुजा ये चीज बताओ आप कि यहाँ पे तो हुआ है, obviously it's kind of intriguing and you got to be like be prepared and everything, but real life में ऐसा कभी हुआ है when you have had a creepy stalker who has been after you like anything and you got to actually run and save yourself from that? ऐसा हुआ है कभी आपके साथ अनुजा?
Run and save myself, तो नहीं, like, but on Instagram, कभी-कभी होता है that I get a weird message or I get,
Yeah.
sometimes a little creepy stuff going on from people who follow me, but luckily nothing serious like what we've shown in Hello Mini.
Yeah. Well, that's a different level altogether in terms of seriousness. But when you get those kind of messages, and how do you react? I mean, because obviously you will not react to the way you did in the show, but how do you react in reality when you get something like that?
The truth, I don't react.
Yes, of course.
I just block it.
Well, sometimes no reaction is the best reaction.
Yes.
And now, मेरे भाई मृणाल, मुझे एक बात बताओ कि when you are coming into the life, it also again has a reality context to it. Here in the show, आपने first season में you came and you kind of saved herself. I mean, you saved her from that person, and now that stranger is kind of back in your life. ऐसा जिंदगी में रियल लाइफ में आपने किसी के साथ ऐसा प्रिंस चार्मिंग हीरो आपने प्ले किया है where you have kind of actually been like the go-to person for somebody? हाँ, कॉलेज लाइफ में या स्कूल में ऐसा कभी हुआ है? Be very honest.
I wish, but this is quite, know, as you rightly said, it's too extreme for it to really happen in real life. मतलब होता होगा कुछ लोगों के साथ. मतलब जो Mini के साथ हो रहा है वो I don't think this is which makes this show very unique. But थोड़ा on some levels हो सकता है और different kind of stalkers, people usually don't know how to approach people they see on screen, say their favorite celebrities or whosoever, since internet is accessible. तो I mean उनकी भी गलती नहीं है, but they have to be educated in a way कि कैसे approach करें वो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, their characters they play in, वो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा push कर देते हैं लोग कभी-कभी, but again as Anuja said, you can't feed them more, you just have to
एक सवाल जो बनता है which happens with a lot of sequels that we see is that first season में hype इतना हो जाता है कि people like it so much that often people find कि यार season 2 में वो बात नहीं हुआ. A lot of people always feel that way in terms of sequels whenever there's a. So do you guys have that thing कि यार मतलब because first season में you guys already created a hype, there might be that certain tinge of fear कि season 2 शायद लोगों को उतना पसंद ना भी आए. Obviously there's the other side to it where people might like it a lot more, but the expectation is not there in season 1 which you have in season 2. So do you have those kind of feelings?
To be honest, I had that feeling when we were about to begin the shoot, but as we went on and I got to see, obviously I read the script prior, then I thought this is going to be amazing because it's going to be like this times season 1 times 10 in terms of the story, in terms of the thrills and the plot and everything. So in that sense, I think my fear kind of evaporated. I think what we're doing is like way bigger than season 1. So if people love season 1, then season 2, matlab, it's going to be crazy.
Super. Matlab, it's going to hit all the highs. Well, we're talking about enjoying out here. So very much, I have few questions out here, which the intention is so that you guys have fun right now over here. So basically, आप लोगों ने काफी dare वेयर यहाँ पे show में तो काफी खेला हुआ है, but right now I have a dare game where basically you have certain questions to answer, and it's not very tricky, I can assure you on that. But just fun questions which you all will love answering. So whom do we begin with, Anuja or Mrinal? You guys decide. Okay, he has already passed on
ladies first.
Okay, superb. So the first question, Anuja, it's a bouncer. the one secret that you have kept a secret from your parents even now. Something that you can obviously tell in front of the camera, but something very innocent.
That you got tested in the process of being in.
That I had, okay, I'll be honest, because I feel like I'm so excited to give this interview for IWM Buzz. You're getting an exclusive here, okay?
Yeah.
I had a house party once when they had gone to Paris, and I don't think they know that we had a full-on party when they were away from the home. So I guess I'll get a call tomorrow about this.
Yes, of course. Your mummy and your papa and everybody in your family should know that when they were in Paris, you had a lovely party out there. We don't call it party anymore. We call it party.
Party, of course.
Yes. Okay. So the next question for you is, what's the most embarrassing kind of music that you listen? It can be anything. Nobody is judging out here.
We are all
most embarrassing. I love like really, it's like a US and Punjabi mix of Bhangra club music, and Mrinal has heard so much of it and he hates it so much because he's like,
but I don't know why when I hear this
Punjabi pop songs.
but I don't know why when I hear this combination, deadly combination, मुझे लगता है ये काफी interesting, खतरनाक combination हो सकता है. You never know. I need to listen probably to kind of.
Okay.
yeah, it's very much on for a party. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next question is, again, we have already seen this kind of stuff in TV, and we always wanted, यार अगर मेरे जिंदगी में ऐसा कोई genie हो, who can probably grant me 3 interesting wishes, what would those 3 wishes be, Anuja?
3 wishes. So, आजकल I guess the wishes are different. So I'll say no more COVID.
Okay.
I'll say 3 wishes. I'll say that somehow there's no time difference between US and India, because then doing promotions for Hello Mini won't keep me up all night. And then third wish that chocolate won't make you gain weight.
So I love how the transition works. First, you start by thinking for the society when you say कि COVID चला जाए, and then you come down to chocolate very easily, where you say कि it doesn't help you gain weight. Superb. I love the transformation.
Thank you.
Okay. ये थोड़ा हटके सवाल है, but I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy answering. What is the weirdest place that you have ever had to go to use the washroom? It can be anywhere.
Oh my God.
हमारे लिए तो लागू ही नहीं होता ये सवाल.
I've had to use the washroom.
Yeah.
I have had to use the washroom in a forest once.
Forest? No, where? India, outside where? We'll not get too much into details, but at least the country.
It happened in the US, I'll say that.
Okay.
That's all I'll say.
That much information is enough. That much information is enough for now. Okay.
Yeah.
The most embarrassing thing that you have ever done on your first date, where you were like really nervous and I mean, fingers crossed and everything. The most embarrassing thing that you have ever done on a date.
I'm genuinely quite an embarrassing person. I think people who know me know that I'm not quite. I'm very uncool. So I don't try to pretend like I'm very cool. But embarrassing thing I've done on a date. Oh my God, this is a good one. Okay, an embarrassing thing I've done on a date. I messaged. I thought this was bad. Okay, I thought I was messaging my friend, saying, "Oh my God, he's actually really hot and really nice." But I messaged the guy I was on a date with. He picked up the phone and he was like, "Oh, thank you." And I wanted to die. I wish the earth could open and just eat me in that moment. But he found it quite sweet, and then I just kind of moved on, and I'm getting red even thinking about it. It was so embarrassing.
Of course, any guy, if he gets that kind of a message, he's gonna be on cloud 99. Forget cloud 9.
Yes,
so I can
but
only imagine his
looks so
reaction.
creepy. It actually looks like I'm a stalker, that I'm messaging other people about him while he's across from me. It was so bad.
But never mind, all is well that ends well. On that note, the next question, you talked about stalking, so the next question is about stalking. The last person that you stalked on social media, and stalking as in a very nice, sweet way, not the one that we see in Hello Mini, obviously.
Last person I stalked, it's not really stalking, but I'm really I'm so excited for Priyanka Chopra's new book and the immense publicity it's getting right now. So I think I've been following her really avidly, and she's just such a big role model for me and for so many people. But me more so that I'm a US born actress who works in India and in the US. So I look to her a lot for conquering both worlds. So
okay, very interesting answer. The last one for you, Anuja, before we move on to Mrinal. There one moment when you probably made an excuse to get away with something, but you eventually got caught.
Eventually got caught. Yeah, that happens a lot in school. I guess I during my college and school times, I would say that I'm sick. And now because of social media, you know, it's like, oh, I thought you were sick, so why are you posting from brunch? So I guess
hashtag brunch, hashtag friends.
Yes, so I guess, you know, before all this Instagram and everything, I could get away with those kinds of white lies. Now not anymore.
So basically we got another con. We can't lie very easy with social media coming in. Okay.
True.
Okay. On the next note, Mrinal, let's move forward with you. Of course, we first finished with Anuja. Now we have questions for you, and Anuja is going to be reacting.
I'm not going to be
so first one,
but I'll try.
Okay, she was really good. I must admit that. That one childish thing that you still love to do and don't really give any damn about judgment from others.
Everything I do is.
This is from. कुछ example दे दो. एक तो कुछ example दे दो.
Oh shit. I don't know. Anuja, anything you can think of?
Yeah, I know one thing. That you don't give a damn about anything.
Yeah.
This guy sings in his vanity before he gets ready for the shot, and he does not give a damn about anybody. Mrinal, come on.
I thought those are one of the nicer things. But
it's a nice thing, but it's a cool thing that, like, you know, you don't care what other people think about. You're just like, he lives his life, man. I go to work
he's in his own world.
so early in the morning. I'm tired. I'm having coffee, and Mrinal is singing some song. I can hear him.
I think I keep myself
entertainment fact. Yes. Okay, so the next question that I have, please answer very honestly because it will make a really nice answer. What's the biggest misconception that people have about you? Something that you still want to keep a misconception. वैसा कुछ मत बोलना, but something that you can probably reveal.
I don't know. People don't think I'm very desi. I'm very, very, very desi at heart. Like, you know, मैं दिल्ली का लड़का हूँ, लोगों को लगता नहीं है कि मैं इतना देसी हूँ. I'm very desi.
Okay. What's your biggest fantasy?
Biggest fantasy? To party on a space ride with some of my friends, like Anuja.
Party.
Yes. Okay. The naughtiest thing that you have done in public?
Yeah, I was a very naughty kid. Like, in the sense, I still am a little bit.
कुछ तो एक बोल दो. I think you are so naughty that you're having to think कि हाँ कौन सा वाला बताऊँ.
Yeah, exactly.
Bad at
yeah.
I don't know. Sorry, can't think of it. Naughty things.
Oh, okay. We'll give you the 50-50 lifeline over here. We'll move on to the next question. The weirdest dream that you have ever had. Usually we don't remember dreams, but certain dreams we do remember. So any weird dream that you had and you thought, यार ये क्या हो गया?
I had a dream very recently and it felt very, very weird. So मैं मीठा बहुत खाता हूँ and usually I eat a lot of dessert at night. That doesn't mean I don't brush my teeth and sleep. I do. But मुझे सपना है मेरे सारे दांत गिर गए हैं. मतलब वो लटक गए हैं. मतलब it's like I felt my teeth in my mouth. It felt very weird and
that's quite scary.
Very scary.
That's a nightmare in itself, huh? Baap re baap.
Yeah. It was
of course. So you must be very happy feeling कि हाँ नहीं दांत है सही सलामत I can still have no sleep.
You know, one of those dreams. हाँ, absolutely. It's one of those dreams जब आपको लगता है हो गया अब तो गए मेरे दांत. When I woke up,
then I can visualize the scenario. I can visualize the scenario that probably had taken place when you woke up. Nice. Okay. The most embarrassing thing that you have ever put on social media, Facebook, Instagram, कहीं पे भी.
यार एक बार body shot डाल के delete कर दिया था. Like I feel I'm just very shy of putting stuff like that. But I did put one. I have check police. Like I have a few friends who will just be like, "What the have you just done?" You know. So So हाँ, I don't do much.
But एक suggestion बनता है इसके. There's this caption that is going on trend right now कि felt cute might delete later. So the next time you ever have any doubt regarding any post, वो caption डाल देने का, so that if you delete it later, nobody is going to ask you a single question. Does that work?
I mean थोड़ा philosophy झाड़ सकता हूँ मैं इस point पे. I don't believe in deleting things I do. I believe in जो कर दिया उस moment में, वो उस moment में best था, तो I don't believe in deleting.
Yeah. Nice. I hope you don't delete stuff as well in the future. Interesting, huh, Anuja? You want to keep track of your social media so that we know कि हाँ इसने delete नहीं किया.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
The last question, and we end this thing is कि a rumor that you would love to start about yourself. वैसे तो काफी सारे rumors बन जाते हैं अपने आप, लेकिन one rumor that you would love to start about yourself.
I would like to start a rumor that there is no rumor about this guy. This guy is just like clean, you know.
वो तो देखो होने से रहा. That is never going to happen with personalities in the entertainment industry. Let's face it.
Okay, Anuja, are you saying something?
No, I want to hear what rumor you want to start about yourself.
She's definitely not happy with your answer. She wants a different answer. Am I right, Anuja?
Give something cool. Give something you can just, the sky's the limit.
Right. Rumor. I'm thinking, why don't you go for it?
I would like to start a rumor that Anuja Joshi is a psychic. So anyone who thinks anything bad about her, she can read your mind before.
Yeah. Anybody who's thinking that being a part in Hello Mini, that's wrong. That's her.
Angar, this is like fire of an answer. Kya baat hai? But I think we're still left with your answer, huh? Mrinal, you are still answer. नहीं यही लास्ट सवाल है. ये कुछ ना कुछ तो जवाब देना ही पड़ेगा इसका.
यार ये एक्चुअली जवाब जो मैंने दिया वो बहुत सही है.
Chalo, no problem. We'll take that for an answer. Anuja has anyway balanced the part by giving her own answer. So on that note, we come to an end on this conversation. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me out here. It was a pleasure. मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
Likewise.
I hope that your audience feel very happy and interested as well when they see this video. And all the best for Hello Mini 2 and everything that you do in the future. And good luck, best wishes. Take care and keep rocking and keep pouring.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sunny.
This was fun. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless. Thank you.
Bye.